Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? And today I wanted to read to you a letter from my book Divine Soul Whispers, and it's called New Beginnings. To the awakened souls among us, a new dawn is here. Eye has not seen, ear has not heard, nor has it entered the hearts of men what is about to unfold. A plan so good our limited minds will have to cope. Go forward with boldness. Allow others to find you on your journey. Stand firm as you create a path for yourself and others. Know thyself, for your soul depends on it. Your work will not be based on cheers of men, nor approvals from those who can't comprehend your path, but rather from a deep desire to evolve. Let your gifts to the world shine from the depth of your soul. When you have done all you can, continue to stand firm. Surrender to the process. Surrender within surrender as the path unfolds. You are in the right place, doing the right thing. No need to rush. Just lean into the flow of divine grace. Let it carry you to your promised land where milk and honey flows and abundance is like gold dust. Let your awakened soul embrace the journey, for your light ignites the light of other souls. Let's go. Much love, Mother Eagle. I hope these letters bless you. Let's go and do it. It's a new beginning for me, for you, and for all of us. Talk to you soon. Bye.